You asked, how to divide 5413 by 3 using the long division method. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 3, making 13. 13 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 13 minus 12 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 1804 remainder 1.